High in the western Ghats of India, there's a place called Munnar. It's a hill station, very green, very beautiful. The air is cool and clean, perfect for an adventure. Munnar is known for its tea. Vast tea plantations cover the hillsides. They look like oceans of green. The smell of tea is everywhere. It's amazing. People come from all over to see Munnar. They trek the hills. They explore the waterfalls. They relax in the cool mountain air. If you're looking for adventure, Munnar is the place to be. Get ready to explore. The tea gardens are everywhere in Munnar. They stretch as far as the eye can see, row after row of tea bushes, a sea of green. The tea plants thrive in the cool climate. The mist and rain help them grow. The tea here is some of the best in the world. You can learn about tea production in Munnar. Visit a tea factory, see how the tea leaves are processed. It's fascinating, and of course you have to try the tea, freshly brewed. It's delicious. Munnar is much cooler than the surrounding lowlands. The higher altitude makes a difference. The air is fresh and clean. You can escape the heat in Munnar, enjoy the cool mountain breeze. It's so refreshing. The cool weather is perfect for outdoor activities. You can go trekking. You can explore the hills. You won't get tired too quickly. At night, the temperature drops even further. You might need a sweater or a jacket. It's a welcome change from the heat. Munnar is known for its mist. It often rolls in during the early morning. It blankets the hills in a white veil. It's magical. The mist can be thick sometimes. You can't see very far. It's like being in a cloud, but the mist also creates a sense of mystery. It makes Munnar even more beautiful. It's like something out of a dream. As the sun rises, the mist starts to clear. The hills slowly emerge from the mist. It's a beautiful sight. Section 5. Wild at Heart. Munnar's natural treasures. Munnar is home to a variety of wildlife. You can spot elephants, monkeys and deer. Keep your eyes peeled. The Nilgiri Tahr is a rare mountain goat. It lives in the higher elevations of Munnar. You might be lucky enough to see one. There are also many different species of birds in Munnar. You can go bird watching. See how many different species you can spot. It's a fun activity. Remember to respect the wildlife. Keep your distance. Don't feed the animals. Section 6. Adventures in Paradise, things to do in Munnar. There are many things to do in Munnar. You can go trekking, you can visit the tea gardens, you can explore the waterfalls. Eravikulam National Park is a must-see. It's home to the Nilgiri Tahr. You can go on a safari, see the animals in their natural habitat. The Mattupetty Dam is another popular attraction. You can go boating on the lake, enjoy the scenic views. If you're looking for adventure, you can go rock climbing or rappelling. There are several companies that offer these activities. Section 7. A taste of Munnar culinary delights. Munnar is known for its delicious food. You can find a variety of cuisines. South Indian food is a must-try. Try the Kerala fish curry. It's made with coconut milk and spices. It's absolutely delicious. Appam is another popular dish. It's a type of pancake made with rice flour and coconut milk. It's usually served with a stew. Don't forget to try the tea. Munnar is famous for its tea. You can find it everywhere. It's the perfect way to start your day. Section 8. Plan your escape. Tips for visiting Munnar. The best time to visit Munnar is from October to May. The weather is pleasant during these months. It's the perfect time to enjoy the outdoors. You can get to Munnar by road or by air. The nearest airport is Cochin International Airport. From there you can hire a taxi or take a bus to Munnar. There are many hotels and resorts in Munnar. You can find accommodation to suit your budget. Be sure to book in advance, especially during peak season. Pack light clothes for the day. It can get cool in the evenings, so bring a jacket or a sweater. Section 9. Munnar awaits. Your adventure begins. Munnar is a magical place. It's a place where you can relax and reconnect with nature. It's a place where you can have an adventure. I've explored many wild places. Munnar is special. It's a true paradise. You have to see it to believe it. What are you waiting for? Book your trip to Munnar today. Experience the beauty of this incredible hill station. It's an adventure you'll never forget. Section 10. Hidden gems of Munnar. Munnar has many hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From secret waterfalls to secluded viewpoints, there's always something new to explore. Take a detour from the usual tourist spots and find your own piece of paradise. The locals are friendly and always willing to share their favorite spots. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. You might just find the highlight of your trip. Section 11. Munnar's cultural heritage. Munnar is not just about natural beauty. It also has a rich cultural heritage. Visit the local markets and experience the vibrant culture. You can find handmade crafts, traditional clothing, and local delicacies. The festivals in Munnar are a sight to behold. The colors, the music, the dance. It's a celebration of life. Immerse yourself in the local culture and take home memories that will last a lifetime. Section 12. Adventure sports in Munnar. For the adrenaline junkies, Munnar offers a range of adventure sports. From paragliding to mountain biking, there's something for everyone. The rugged terrain and the breathtaking views make it a perfect destination for adventure sports. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find activities that suit your level. Get your heart racing and make your trip to Munnar an unforgettable adventure. Section 13. Munnar's flora and fauna. Munnar is a biodiversity hotspot. The flora and fauna here are unique and diverse. You can find rare species of plants and animals that are not found anywhere else. The Eravikulam National Park is a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. It's home to the endangered Nilgiri tahr and many other species. Take a guided tour and learn about the rich biodiversity of Munnar. Section 14. Wellness retreats in Munnar. Munnar is a perfect destination for wellness retreats. The serene environment and the cool climate make it an ideal place to relax and rejuvenate. There are many wellness centers and spas that offer a range of treatments. From Ayurvedic massages to yoga sessions, you can find everything you need to unwind. Take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life and focus on your well-being. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, indulging in a relaxing massage with fragrant oils and practicing yoga amidst the lush greenery. Munnar's wellness retreats provide you with an opportunity to reconnect with yourself and nature. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a longer retreat, Munnar has something to offer everyone. Embrace the tranquility and let Munnar's natural beauty heal your mind, body and soul. Section 15. Munnar's historical sites. Munnar has a rich history that is reflected in its historical sites. Visit the old tea factories and learn about the history of tea production in Munnar. The colonial bungalows and churches are a reminder of the British era. Take a walk through the town and explore the historical sites. It's a journey back in time that adds a new dimension to your trip. Section 16. Munnar's local markets. The local markets in Munnar are a treasure trove of unique items. From fresh produce to handmade crafts, you can find a variety of things to buy. The markets are also a great place to interact with the locals and learn about their way of life. Don't forget to bargain and get the best deals. It's an experience that adds to the charm of Munnar. Section 17. Munnar's scenic drives. The drives in and around Munnar are a treat for the eyes. The winding roads, the lush greenery, and the scenic views make it a perfect destination for a road trip. Rent a car or hire a taxi and explore the beautiful landscapes. Stop at the viewpoints and take in the breathtaking views. It's a journey that you'll remember for a long time. Section 18. Munnar's waterfalls. Munnar is home to many beautiful waterfalls. The cascading water, the lush surroundings, and the cool breeze make it a perfect spot for a picnic. Visit the popular waterfalls like Attukal, Lakkam, and Nilgiri. Take a dip in the refreshing water and enjoy the natural beauty. It's a perfect way to spend a day in Munnar. Section 19. Munnar's coffee plantations. While Munnar is famous for its tea, it also has some coffee plantations. Visit the coffee estates and learn about the coffee production process. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee is irresistible. Take a tour of the plantations and enjoy a cup of coffee. It's a different experience that adds to the charm of Munnar. Section 20. Munnar's nightlife. Munnar may be a quiet hill station, but it has a vibrant nightlife. Visit the local bars and cafes and enjoy the live music. The cool weather and the cozy ambience make it a perfect place to unwind. Try the local drinks and enjoy the night. It's a different side of Munnar that you must experience.